Good morning, students. In the third unit of high voltage engineering, today we are going to see about cascaded transformer through a video. So kindly watch it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this session, I'll be providing some information regarding cascade transformer connection. First and foremost thing, why cascade connection of transformer is required? In general, up to 300 kV of high voltage AC generation, single unit of transformer is more than sufficient. But if you want to go for more than 300 kV AC, single transformer is not possible. Why? Because we need to provide more insulation. If you want to provide more insulation, that is not economically favorable. Such cases, it is better to go for cascade connection of transformer. Now, let us see what is cascade connection of transformer. Cascade connection of transformer is nothing but connection of similar unit of transformer in the serial fashion. Cascade means series. So, similar unit of transformers are connected in serial fashion. You know, if the elements are connected in serially, voltage will be added up. Current will be remaining same. So what is our requirement? We require high voltage AC. So voltage will be added up serial fashion if you connect it in series fashion. Now let us look at the diagram. We are having three transformers, T1, T2 and T3. Those three transformers, they are connected in serial fashion. T1, T2, T3 all are connected in serial fashion. So that the output voltage will be added up. Voltage across T1 and voltage across T2 and voltage across T3 that is getting added up. So that at the end of T3, what will happen? You will be getting high voltage output. Now V1 is the input voltage. As you can see, V1 is the input voltage and V2 is the output voltage. Let us see the winding. A dash. A dash is the low voltage primary winding, where B dash, you can see B dash, B dash, that's a high voltage secondary winding. To measure, we need 1 meter winding, BD. BD is known as meter winding. Moreover, CC dash, that is actually excitation winding. And of course, obviously you can generate high voltage output. This method is known as cascade connection of transformer. Moreover, each transformer has kept certain ground level. That means in order to get high voltage, you have to maintain separate ground level also. That I am going to show here. So V2, 2V2, here you can see the ground potential. That also you have to keep in your mind. For the practical purposes, it is better to go for isolation transformer for each and every stages. Isolation transformer is nothing but 1:1 transformer. If you provide 1:1 transformer, what you can do, you can maintain separate isolation for each and every stages. That is also that is the main thing which you will be doing in practical conditions. Okay, so this is about cascaded transformer and why it is required. Now let us discuss what are the advantages of cascaded transformer. First advantage is light and compact. It will be totally light and compact. Why? Because you will be using single transformer, and of course it will be more convenient to transportation. Everything will be more convenient. Then star and delta connections are 100% possible. Furthermore, natural cooling is more than sufficient. Why? Because it is a small transformers they are connected in serial fashion. It will be keeping in open air. So natural cooling is more than sufficient. So these are the main advantages of cascade transformer. Now let us see what are the drawbacks. Mainly the problem is more space consumption. That's the main problem. Why? Because we'll be using small unit of transformer that is connected in serial fashion. So it consumes more space. That's that is one of the main drawback. Mainly we can point out that drawback. Rest of the things are alright regarding cascade connection of transformer. This method of generation of high voltage AC, that is known as cascade connection of transformer. I hope you understood what is cascade connection of transformer and what is the need for cascade connection of transformer. And finally, I could figure out what are the advantages and disadvantages of cascade connection of transformer. Thanks for watching this video. Please share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
In this video, we saw about cascaded connection of transformer. In next video, we will be seeing about resonant transformer. Thank you so much.